Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're showing you how to use back tap on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open settings, and now let's scroll down to accessibility section. And now you want to find here touch. Now let's scroll down to back tap. And here you can see that you have different options, specifically two options, double tap and triple tap. So personally, I prefer to use double tap for making screenshots and use triple tap in order to open Control Center. This is extremely useful. For example, when I have one hand free and without stretching my hand, I can reach and open Control Center without needing to actually make that move. But of course, if you want, you can use it for different actions. This is just my example and my recommendations to you. So let's open double tap, and instead of scrolling through this list, I would just use the searching bar at the top to type screenshot. Let's put a check mark next to screenshot. Let's close this. And now let's go to triple tap, and I will type Control Center. Okay, and we have it set up. Now, let me show you how it works. So, I will put my phone in my hand, and then firmly, I need to double tap on the back side of my device. As you can see, it made a screenshot for me. And now let me show you how to open Control Center by triple tapping. As you can see, it works as simply as this. Simply tap 3 times on the back side of your device. So that is basically how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.